Pros and cons of painting ceilings same color as walls. Dear friends, painting the ceiling the same color as the walls is a popular interior design trend that creates a smooth and modern look. Instead of the traditional white ceiling, using the same color throughout the room can make the space feel more unified and stylish. However, like every design choice, it has both advantages and disadvantages. One major advantage is visual continuity. When the ceiling and walls share the same color, the room feels seamless and cohesive. This works especially well in modern or minimalist interiors where clean lines and simplicity are important. Another benefit is that it can make small rooms feel larger. Without a sharp color break between the wall and ceiling, the eye travels smoothly around the room, creating a sense of openness. This technique is often used in bedrooms, offices, or compact apartments. Using the same color can also create a cozy and dramatic atmosphere. Darker shades like deep blue, gray, or forest green can make a room feel warm, elegant, and intimate. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Dark colors on both walls and ceilings can sometimes make a room feel smaller or lower, especially if the space already has a low ceiling height. Another disadvantage is reduced brightness. Traditional white ceilings reflect more light, while colored ceilings may absorb light and make the room slightly dimmer. In conclusion, painting the ceiling the same color as the walls can create a modern and stylish space, but it's important to consider room size, lighting, and color choice before making the decision. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.